Hello dear viewers of STEMpower TV show, I'm Manuhi Kasa hosting you these TV episodes. Every year STEMpower STEM centers in many sub-Saharan nations conduct local science fair contests to select the best project among students' innovations for the National Science Fair contest. Today we have brought you some of these best projects. Stay with us.
Every year, STEMpower STEM centers conduct local science fairs that will select best innovator students and their best projects. And outstanding students' projects in the local science fair will then take part in national science fairs. Today, we come up with some of the students' projects recently presented for the local science fair contest at Foka STEM Center in Bishoftu.
Our project is called text-to-braille printer machine that used to it takes text as an input, then it outputs is printed braille notes. It's useful for many things. Firstly, in education area. Education area for blind people is it's heavy for blind people. We have two stepper motors, a solenoid and paper rolling, two metal rods. Then we have one Arduino board. Then we have used Arduino coding, and we have made user interface by using processing. Here is user interface. Then you can write or you can copy paste any kind of words in this area. Then when it's run, it's really working.
Now let us see how our device works and what components did we use. The first component we use is 7-segment display to display the numbers, the seats, and the fee we have to pay. And the LCD display we use this to display the amount, the fee, and the calculated distance. And we used keypad here to locate the seats. There are two types of seats, front seat and the back seat. Now let us see how our device works. When one passenger gets in the seat, if he sits in number 5, number 6, this acts as number 6 because this is 4. 6 will be displayed and here displayed here. If one passenger gets in seat 7, 7 will be displayed here and here. Now let us assume that we are reached our destinations. Number 6, he gone this kilometer and he have to pay this much, and here will be displayed again.
Our project is digitalized medical prescription. Prescription means is a formal instruction that authorizes a patient to be issued with the specified prescription drug or treatment. Currently, these prescriptions are written manually in the prescription pad with pen and paper. A digital prescription system allows a physician, a pharmacist, and nurse to use digitalized prescription software to be issued with the aid of the computer.
How to use our application and the functionality part. It contains 2 pages. The first page includes the patient information and the diagnosis, and the second page contains a drug along with its parameter. And if the doctor inserts the patient name, and if the patient name found in the database which came from the reception center, then the system fill other patient information automatically, like this. And similarly, the doctor inserts the diagnosis, and in doing so, if the first few letters of the diagnosis is entered, then the system will show us a related suggestions, related searches. A doctor can add more than one medicine in a single prescription paper by clicking the add button, and when he clicks the add button, a new prescription form will be appeared. Then he fills the required information. Then also the system will make all the possible suggestions, and also when the preview button is clicked, the contents in that information will be changed into the QR code and displayed. Then the communication media between the doctor and the pharmacist to be a printed paper. That's why, because it doesn't require anything from the patient, just to carry to the pharmacist. Printed paper size is A7 paper. and that will be our final output on the doctor's side. Similar to the doctor's side, the pharmacy side of application has also two sections. The first one is registration form and the second one is dispensing form. Then next we proceed into the dispensing form, and it deals about retrieving the information filled by the doctor in the prescription, and when the pharmacist first scans the information in the prescription form, and the app will decode it and fill in the space provided, which is a general prescription format approved by the Ethiopian Health Ministry. And he can also use any type of scanner, even a phone camera. And this will be the decoded information which came from the doctor's side of the pharmacist.
Our project title is Biometric Digital Attendance. When you look at the meaning of the biometric means unique characteristics of the humans, such as fingerprint, eye scan, and face recognition. In our project, we use the fingerprint of the humans or the employees. When the employees are come to this device at the early or the morning time, they give their fingerprint on this device. Then when it's scan their fingerprint, it says image taken. If there is not store his fingerprint, the device said that the fingerprint is not exist on this device, or did not find a match. It said that. So it's the significance of this device is it works for any kinds of companies and industries. And when you look at this device, it's very easy and the cheapest and safe for any kinds of works. And it's prevent the fraudulent activities that occurred in any companies, and also it's prevent humans error. So it's very important for any kinds of company.
Dear viewers, it is our hope that you have learned something from today's projects. Until we come up with other programs in the projects, have a nice day.